So I thought I was here to harvest celery, and I went through my celery and I waited too long, unfortunately, and from 85 days, and I was a little bit worried about it. I should have checked it. It got a little bit woody, but I was looking back here and I was like, oh, there's a beet back here, but I don't think it's a beet. I think it's actually a black Nebula carrot. And so I think I forgot to harvest these. So this is turning into a black Nebula carrot harvest. I think we want to see this really big ones. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. There we go, there we go. Whoa. All right, so I waited a little bit long on this. I forgot he was there, but he's looking good, and I'm pretty sure I'm still going to eat this carrot. Let's cut this top off. I want to see how woody it gets. It's funny, like we were opening the radish seed pods and I thought, ooh, that's nice. It's really nice. Actually, I want to keep that. I'll cut off this one. Yeah, there's no woodiness. It's really good, really nice. Wow. You know, you're not ready for carrots, and so you leave carrots in. There's nothing in the back end. It's really nice. Nature's refrigerator. It's kind of cool. It's been all summer, and now we get carrots I forgot about. I love it. And then while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these other 2 carrots I have that are looking good. Apparently they're pretty high in antioxidants, so they do have that going for them. There's a couple more. I'm gonna let those guys keep going. We're gonna have some black Nebula carrots tonight.